Jotend obila onyis mondo din rode duto mag mibadhi maketho sektano e pachoka kendo golo geno ma jopiny nigodo kuomgi. Jatend jotije piny owacho Felix Kosgei owacho mae kinde mar romo kod jotend obila e sikund piny owacho mayudore Kabete. Omedo ni weche mag bajet margi bende ibiro losi makare kaka mago mag luwo chike madwarore.
And the President is confident that you have the capability, and we know that you have been highly trained to overcome the challenges in the police service, to assist, sustain, and win the war against corruption across the public service. So that the restoration of your independence in terms of your budgets and management of the human resources will be a testament to this. We have made you independent. We have made you autonomous. Be part of this team to fight it, starting from yourselves. And you need to know that budgetary independence always comes with responsibility. You will be accountable for utilization of the resources. And to avoid challenges, it is important that you put in place adequate and effective internal control and risk management frameworks to secure the resources and adhere to the principles contained in the Public Finance Management Act. And this is the decision that was made by His Excellency the President, that the police has to be autonomous. And it was not only finances. We have asked your leadership to look through the National Police Service Commission and the IG office to ensure that we have a true autonomy, not ticking a box. In terms of personnel, how are you? You need to make sure that you have qualified, adequate personnel that can serve the service properly. You need to ensure that you get the resources, protect the resources, use it prudently, so that the meaning of being autonomous will go hand in hand with responsibility. We need to ensure that the officers who before were from public service, a decision has to be made. If you want to absorb them, you absorb them to be members of National Police Service Commission.